So we are going to see some questions on Roman numerals. ये जो टेबल यहाँ ये बना दिया है, रूल्स भी याद रखना है, टेबल्स भी हमको यूज करना है. So let's see. First thing is write the following in Roman numerals. Hindu-Arabic numbers दिए हुए, we have to convert it in Roman numerals. As I have said, first write the expanded form of the number. So this will be written as 30 plus 2. To write 30, we have to use the addition combination. So addition combination of x will be written x 3 times. So we know that it can be repeated 3 times. So this is 30 plus 2 is again a addition combination, that is I 2 times. So that is 32. This is 30 and this is 2. Next is 60. There's no need to write this in expanded form. 60 we have to write the addition combination again, 50 plus 10. So it will be LX. If you want, you can write 50 plus 10, or else you can directly write this LX 50 plus 10, that is 60. Next we have to write in expanded form 100 plus 4. 104 है तो उसको expanded form में लिखेंगे. 100 we already have the direct symbol 100, that is C. And for 4 is a subtraction combination. जो मैं addition subtraction combination बोल रहा हूँ, जैसे यहाँ पे addition combination दिया था, 3 times we repeat करके लिख सकते थे, 4 times repeat करके नहीं लिख सकते. That's a rule. We cannot repeat a symbol 4 times. Therefore, we are going to use the subtraction combination. Subtraction combination है, rule था smaller symbol to be written on the left side of the greater symbol. So we write IV. So C IV. C is 100. This is 404. Next is 1000 plus 500. Expanded form में 1000 का symbol है and 500 का भी symbol है. So directly it will be written MB. That is 1500. Next question we have, write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here Roman numerals are given, we have to convert in Hindu-Arabic. यहाँ हमने देखा था that we write in expanded form, then see addition or subtraction combination. यहाँ पे दूसरे जो rules देखे थे वो use करेंगे. 4th 5th rule देखा था that if the symbols are similar or decreasing we have to add, and if it is increasing we have to subtract. So यहाँ पे दोनों है, सेम है, फिर रिड्यूस होके वापस से ग्रेटर सिंबल आ गया. सो देयरफॉर दिस विल बी वन कॉम्बिनेशन. ये एग्जांपल ऐसे हमने एग्जांपल्स लिए थे. सो दिस इज प्लस प्लस, बट ये आई वी जो है ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पर एडिशन और यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. सो x प्लस एक्स इज 20 प्लस दिस इज 4. सो इट विल बी 24. सो ये एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन अगर समझ गए, सो इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू कन्वर्ट दीज नंबर्स. XC. X is a smaller symbol than C, so this is a subtraction combination. So it will be 100 minus 10, so that is 90. Then next is LX. Small greater symbol, then a smaller symbol, means addition combination है. फिर 5 वापस से smaller है, फिर और स्मॉलर, मींस ये डिक्रीजिंग फॉर्म में जा रहा है. डिक्रीजिंग वाला रूल देखा है दैट वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल दी सिंबल्स वैल्यूज. सो L is 50, X is 10, then this is 5 and I 3 times. So we can write directly 3 or we can write 1 1 1, both will do. So 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 5 65 plus 3 68. Then next we have CB, smaller then a greater, subtraction combination. Then L X 5, तीनों ही डिक्रीजिंग फॉर्म में जा रहे हैं. सो ये तीनों ही एडिशन में आ जाएंगे. सो दिस विल बी 500 minus 100 because this is a subtraction combination. Then L is 50 plus 10 plus 5. So this is 400 50 60, so 465. Next question, which of the following is meaningless? As per the rule, if these are not written means it is meaningless, so we have to see if these are written as per the rule. XVI decreasing form में जा रहे हैं, we can add and find the value of this, so it will be 10 plus 5 plus 1, so that is 16. So it is correct. ये सही है. Next, X, V, V. We have seen the rule V, L and D. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Here it is repeated. Sorry, here. So it is meaningless. Next, L, X, V. L, X, V. Again, decreasing form में जा रहे हैं. So we can add them. 50 plus 10 plus 5, so 65. So that is again correct. Next, I. I is written before L, means it is subtraction combination because some smaller symbol is written before a greater symbol. Left side में लिखा है small. But we have seen one more rule that I can only be subtracted from V and X, not from these. So I is written before this, means it has to be subtracted, but it is not possible. Rule नहीं है ऐसा. Therefore, meaningless. So that's how. Here expanded form करके लिखो, easy जाएगा. Here find the combinations, addition, subtraction combination है तो उसके through, and here as per the rule.